how to create USA Gmail account. So if you want to create a USA Gmail account, you simply sign up for a standard Gmail account, and when prompted for location or phone verification, you need to use a US number or indicate you're a US citizen. Though all Gmails are @gmail.com, so the USA part primarily relates to recovery or location settings, not the email suffix. So you can go with your Google account, sign up page, or just gmail.com and click on create account. After that, you will get this kind of interface, or here you will have create account. Just simply tap on it, and then you can use for your personal or your business section, and it will take you to create account section. Right now, you need to follow the steps providing the US phone number to set your account's region. As we know that Google doesn't ask you for the country, which means there is no division on Gmail account on the basis of your country, so you do not have to select one. But if you want a US Gmail account, you need to have a US phone number. Just create your Gmail account using your US phone number and you'll be done. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.